Hello, folks. Richard Fontenay here. Now, before we get started, I'd like to invite you to take a hard look at my internet coaches. They will help you build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity, folks. So if you're interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now, my three coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. They are very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. So click that first link below. Now, let's get back to the second review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. Now, this is a great opportunity, so grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. Bonus number 2 is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. You become the middleman, and you pocket the difference in the process. And the third bonus, I'll show you how to learn and create a passive income. And it's not any kind of income, it's recurring income. And you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day for the entire system. Not only that, you receive a done-for-you high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now remember, these 4 bonuses are free to you with your purchase. Now, in a nutshell, the Chakra Code is all about unleashing the power of your energy centers. Now, here are some things you can find out, or that you will find out, in the Chakra Code. Why your chakras are important to your well-being, the 7 main chakras and the role they play in determining your health, state of mind, and future success, the 6 signs that 1 or more of your chakras are blocked and imbalanced, and how to overcome a blockage or an imbalance of each of the 7 chakras. And it'll show you 2 advanced chakra practices that you need to use with great caution. Now, there's a lot more in this package, so make sure you grab it. Now, within the code, there's a premium quality ebook, 5 ebook covers, there's a workbook, there's a Chakra Code cheat sheet, there's ready-made sales letter and a thank you page, hypnotic sales video promo, a full set of professionally designed graphics, 5 high-converting promotional email swipes, 10 high-impact social media image packs, and 10 short videos license pack, and a private label rights license, all for the front end. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. The front end is $14.95. And that gets you the Chakra Code PLR for the first 2 hours. Then there's a dime sale after that. So if you want it for $14.95, get it quickly. There's also an inline upsell for $9.97. Upsell number 1 is $37, and that gets you the Chakra Code Deluxe package. Upsell number 2 is $197, which is a done-for-you standard setup. And an upsell number 3 is $297 for a premium customization. And that's all done for you. Upsell number 3 is $97, and that's a Chakra Code combo offer. And upsell number 4 is $77, and that's the Chakra Code PLR lead magnet. It's not the Chara code, it's the Chakra Code PLR lead magnet. And upsell number 5 is $147, and that's the Chakra Code PLR videos series. Now, watch for the downsells, because you'll save some money, but you might get less product, or you might get a different product. Now, if you need to know more, click the second link below and get the full story. And before I go, make sure you check out that first link so that you can earn up to $10,000 a month in that first link. And my 4 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They show you how to gain reoccurring income online easily. And they show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time.